Hello, I am going to be doing a professional development section on how to start your own Edmodo site. First thing that I want to explain is how you start doing the assignment. When you go into the Hadley website, which is hadley.usd259.org, you will see an Edmodo link right here at the top. If you are doing it outside of the district, it will actually take you to a different spot of www.edmodo.com, but it will still work and it will take you to the same location. But when you go into that site, it will come up with this first page that you can set up, and it asks for your school code. The school code here is 5YPB8I, so you want to just highlight that. I'll have a link for you, and you can copy that. And then you can put that code into that blank, and then you can put in your name here, first and last name, enter in your district email, and then create a password, and it will set that up free when you classes that you can when you hit join Edmodo for free. I have done that. I'll go ahead and log in, and you can see some of the different things that I have done. When you go in, you will be able to see on this left-hand side groups, which I use that as classes. If you wanted to do classes and then make subgroups of your classes, you can do that. Edmodo is very user-friendly in that way, but you can go in and create a group. You can name your group. You can decide what the grade level it is, the subject area when you create your class. Some other things that you can do with that is you can create assignments within the class. So you'll see that I have created the different classes. Something that I suggest you do, because I have problems with my students chatting, and I want to be able to monitor that. So in my settings up here with the little gear, I go to group settings, and I default all members to read only, and I moderate all posts and replies. That way that if they try to post, it first comes through me, and I can then approve it with their settings. You can see that on this particular class, the grade level, the subject, and the number of students that I had originally set up for that group. By the way, when you are done with a 9-week semester year with that, you can archive that group, and this actually right here is a way for you to archive that group, so you can still have access to it, but it's a little bit different. If I go into my home page here and I show all my classes, I can click on archive, and it looks like it's having problems with that, but I have many classes that are in the archive group. Let's see if we'll do it now. Yeah, and you can see, and I can see all the different classes that I have done throughout the years. If I want to actually go and see what different things I have done in a particular class, I can go back and I can look at that. If I want to go back and see what the student's grade is or different things like that, then I can hit the restore that's on the side. I'll try to do that for you here. So I can actually hit and restore, and that will bring that whole class back up just like it had been originally. But right now I only have these 4 classes that I'm showing. The other thing I want to point out is once you go into a class, you can create assignments by clicking up on assignments, and you can make whatever assignment you wanted. And then you need to write some kind of description, and you need to have some kind of due date up here. And if I don't do any of those things, I try to set it up, it'll give me an error. So the other thing is it remembers those different types of things. The other thing is once you create an assignment, you can hit on load assignment. You'll see all your assignments, but if you type in, I'll just type in scavenger, because I know I've created several assignments on scavenger, and it will bring up those assignments of when I've done that, and I can click on those, and it brings up, it fills in all the categories. You still have to do the due date over there. The other thing that you can do is you have a library. I'll click up here on the library, and that you can create different assignments and instructions on those different assignments, and you can go to those different assignments. When you're wanting to put those into a class, I'll go to a class here. I can come up here and I'll click on library, and I'll do dragster. And I have lots of different types of things that I can put in there. This is actually my dragster eraser part, and there's a reflection, and I can click on that, hit attach post. I have to type something in here at the top describing whatever it is, and you can see down here that I have done that with this particular directions, the 9 of me directions, and the directions they have here. The other thing I want to point out right now is on grades. Once you create an assignment, it automatically puts it into whatever class you put it in. Any of these I have turned in, but you can also create your own grade that's maybe not turned in, so you can go to new grade and create a new grade, and I'll go ahead and do that because I need participation points for week 7 here, and you can decide what those participation points are, and it creates a new grade, and you see that new column, and you can actually go in there and put in the grade that they had. There's many more features that I could talk to you about, but that is where I'm going to end it for now. If you have any questions, you can email me or talk to me directly. My room number is D6.